Welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. In today's video, I'm not alone. I'm with the guests here. So we'll be doing a video of spring summer sparkling nails. We'll be doing some nice nail polish.
Hello everybody, my name's Melissa.
Hi guys, my name is Marvelous and today I'm going to be doing a spring and summer nail polish with my mom and my sister. Keep watching.
Yeah guys, yes fam, as the girls told you, we'll be doing some nice sparkling summer and spring and summer nail polish. If you want to have some nice nails, sparkling one, fam, keep watching. Love you. We'll be needing some base coat and top coat. This one I've got it from the £1 shop, so it's the makeup gallery well polish. So it's the top and base coat. So we'll be needing this one. So we'll be needing some nice pigment, you know, so to put some shimmer in our nail polish. And then we'll be using this MORPHE X JEFREE STAR. So we'll be using some shadows. So I'll be getting some shadows. So Melissa wanted to use some green as we are in spring. Marvelous will be using the pink. Me myself, I'll be using some shimmer. Using this JEFREE STAR X MORPHE. The eyeshadow are very pigmented. I'll be using this pigment from Kiko. I'll be mixing the eyeshadow with the pigment. Yeah guys, I hope in the end of this video you'll be able to do some nice nail polish at home with your loved one. So I'll be pouring the base coats. Here we do some beauty tips, we do some nice easy DIY. If you are new in this marvelous family, feel free to subscribe. You're gonna love the experience, and the girls will do nice things here. So as we are happy with the mixture, so we're gonna try on Melissa's nails some nail polish on Melissa. So she felt like it's green, but it's kind of like light green. So in this case, we're gonna build up, so we're gonna add more eyeshadow. Put small and then you add as you go. So I think Melissa will be happy with this green color, the bold green that she wants. Make sure you mix it properly. Now we're gonna put it back in the bottle. We did some like kind of like a cone with the paper, and then so just to help our nail varnish to sink properly in the bottle. Yes, there you go. We got our nail polish, the green one. That's Melissa's spring favorite color. Yes. Hey guys, here we are with our second nail polish. Marvelous wanted the pink one, some pink shadow here, so I will mix it with some shimmer. Marvelous wanted to be glittery, so yeah. So using that, mixing the eyeshadow with the glitter. Yeah, so we're gonna mix it with the base coat. Make sure you mix. Let us know what you think about this process. How did you find it? Have you ever tried something like this? I hope guys in the end of this video you'll be able to do something nice during this Easter holiday with your beloved one. I've got my Melissa and Marvelous, we are doing it. Hope you're gonna do it. Drop us a comment or take a picture. Tag us on Instagram or Facebook. We love to see how you did yours. Just want to try and then see how yeah, she's happy with the color. See the color?
Yep.
Oh, beautiful. So now we're gonna put it in the bottle. That's the pink nail polish done. Hey guys, myself I will using some glitter. I'm a golden girl, so I'll be using some glitter. I'll be mixing these two shadows. So I'll be using this one and then this one. So I'll be using two. So I need to have some shimmer. So I just pour it and then continue mixing. See that? Yeah, so I'm gonna try it on my nail and then see if I will be happy with the outcome. Yeah, so let me try. Yeah, I love it. Guys, please try it. We thank you so much for listening to us, for watching. You want it just to go straight in the bottle. Hi fam, we are back. We did our nail polish. So what is your nail polish nail shade again?
Pink Blossom.
Pink Blossom. That's a nice pink blossom for spring. What's your nail polish nail shade? Show it.
Glamorous green.
glamorous green. That's the glamour girl. What is mine?
Golden spring.
Golden spring. We did it ourselves. It was so simple. We just used some eyeshadow with some shimmer. We mix it together and then we bought just our base coat for £1 shop. So guys, I hope you like it, you love it. If you try it, please tag us Marvelous on Instagram or Facebook. We love you so much. Thank you for your time. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. So don't forget to check, there will be a link up there for our next coming video. So Marvelous will be doing some nice girls tip for summer, spring and summer. Check that video out. We love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. See that?
Yeah,
we did it. Ourselves put together. Yeah.
Make sure to like.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, fam. We'll see you on our next one.
Bye.
No.